Hey guys, what's up? Three billionaires in the same place, but with completely different strategies. Most people watch this type of video looking for a simple secret, but the real pattern lies in the details that nobody notices. The first big convergence among them: disdain for traditional education. Matt Ishbia, owner of the Phoenix Suns, Ken McElroy, and Robert Kiyosaki, all agree that school teaches you nothing about money. Kiyosaki is direct. Don't go to college until you learn how to generate wealth on your own. The second is about debt. While most people are afraid of taking on debt, they use leverage as an engine for growth. McElroy built a $2 billion portfolio using other people's money. Kiyosaki compares debt to a gun, dangerous in the hands of someone who doesn't know how to use it, but extremely powerful for those who master the game. But it's in the differences where each person's method really shows up. Matt Ishbia plays for the competitive spirit. He doesn't chase money for the sake of money, he chases winning. His obsession is speed and execution, and heavily reinvesting back into his own business. Kiyosaki focuses on the fundamental skill of sales and mental resilience in the face of rejection. Meanwhile, Ken McElroy brings the most concrete tactic of all. He leverages legal loopholes in the real estate system and tax incentives, like accelerated depreciation on billboard leases, to generate cash flow without paying unnecessary taxes. And none of this is by accident. The video format itself uses a very clear persuasion framework. Every rejection at the beginning serves to build value for the people who agree to speak at the end. The interviewer stacks authority by repeating his follower count and the number of billionaires he's interviewed, creating the perfect environment to extract real numbers without coming across as invasive. Even the sponsor's ad is tied directly to the concept of speed that the billionaire had just taught. At the end of the day, building wealth isn't about choosing just one path. It's about combining Kiyosaki's sales skill, Ishbia's discipline and speed, and McElroy's tax engineering. Out of these three skills, which one do you need to master first? Subscribe to the channel right now.